Stop! Before spending $300 on a mass airflow sensor, watch this. If your scanner shows a P0101 code, don't panic. In under 2 minutes, I'll show you a $9.74 DIY fix that mechanics try before replacing parts. Subscribe to Engine Clinic for everyday, budget-friendly repairs. Now, let's fix that P0101. If you're getting a P0101 error code, this video will show you a practical, at-home solution to fix it. First, use your Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0101 code. This code triggers when the mass airflow, MAF sensor, detects that the amount of air entering your engine is outside the manufacturer's specified range. Here is one simple, effective DIY method you can try to resolve this. Method A MAF sensor. You can find the MAF sensor located between the air filter box and the throttle body. Carefully remove the MAF sensor and give it a quick inspection. The internal wire often gets dirty, which is usually the culprit. Using dedicated MAF sensor cleaner, spray the wire perpendicularly, holding the can upright to avoid damaging the delicate element. Let it dry completely before reinstalling it back into your vehicle. Now, here is the most practical way to clear that P0101 code. Use your Zeus app to wipe the error, then tap the rescan button one last time to confirm everything is back to normal. If this video helped you, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to Engine Clinic for more fast, budget-friendly DIY fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next repair video.